Hello everyone, welcome back to Clear Creek Solutions instructional videos, and in today's video we're going to be going over the quick start for the South Orange County hydrology model. So if you want to learn how to download this model and get it started, this is a great place for you, or if you just want a quick refresher, this is also a great video. So first thing we're going to want to do is go to Clear Creek Solutions website. That's where we're going to be able to download all these different software packages that we produce. So I'm going to go to clearcreeksolutions.info here. Now this is the main website. To download the model, we're going to go to downloads. These are important download instructions, so if you're downloading something new, it can also be good to browser cache, clear that browser cache out to make sure it downloads properly, but usually it does download properly, so you probably don't need to worry about that. Let's scroll all the way down here. We've got the South Orange hydrology model here. You click this for the download. You can view the change log here. So this is the current version that we have released, and it includes the South Orange County map and precipitation data, and this model will only function for that South Orange County map. So we're going to want to click download to download the software. I already have it downloaded, so I'm not going to run the installer, but after this is done, you can go to your downloads in the File Explorer, or from here, click it and it'll begin to install the software. It's a pretty quick install process. You shouldn't have a problem with that. So I'm going to stop the download there. And so you're going to want to install it. I'm going to go to my desktop here. I'm going to open up the South Orange hydrology model here. And as we open it up, we can see that initial map screen. And what's different about some of the South Orange County hydrology model as opposed to other California hydrology models is there is this map layers section here. So when we go to select our project, this is the map. Let's say our project location was here. To zoom in to really get locked in on that project location, we can zoom into the map here, use the arrows to scroll left and right, use the zoom out to zoom out, and then the extends button zooms completely out. Now we can view map layers here, and we can see all the different ones checked. We've got cities, gauge, locations, met project, street, and water. So you can see there's a whole lot of layers here. So let's say I just wanted to see the county map. I could undo all these. Maybe I want to see street and water, and then maybe I want to see the cities as well. You can check all these different aspects here with that map layers button. And then the gauges can determine which rain gauge you're using. In this case, this would be Laguna Beach with a precipitation factor of 1.0. Then up here would be Trabuco Canyon, which would also have a 1.0 precipitation factor. So that's how you choose the precipitation data based on where you select, and then that map layers allows you to see different aspects of your map. Now, to get started with the model, you can always go to the help file or user manual where there's a lot of useful information on how to use the software there. Of course, Clear Creek Solutions instructional packages are great for this, but if you want to just get a quick overview, you can always read the manual. That is a good place to start. To view the schematic and general project information, left click on this general project information tab here. This is going to load up the schematic here. So we have the pre-developed and mitigated scenario here, and to get started with the model, we're just going to build out a simple basin element in the pre-developed scenario. So to add an element to the schematic, you're going to want to left click on the element, drag it into the schematic, and then left click again. You can use these arrows to move the elements, and then you can view where it is in reference to other elements down here on this X and Y axis. So now we have the element here. If we hit the scroll bar, we can see all the different soil types that are included with the South Orange hydrology model, as well as the different impervious types. To change the basin name, we can left click on the sub-basin name box. You can name it anything. Let's say I named it land use 2. You can absolutely do that. Then to select our soil type and add acreage, we're going to want to scroll down. So let's say I wanted to add 4 acres of B gravel steep soil. I could do that there by inputting 4. There's a couple different slope options here: 0 to 5% slope, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, and then greater to 15% slope are all available for us. To make this a point of analysis, we're going to right click and select connect to point of compliance. So when the software runs, it's going to read that surface flow and inner flow. We click run scenario to generate that runoff off of that basin. So now we have the basin, we added land use to it. We're going to run the model based on what precipitation data we selected, and then it'll generate runoff. So that's the general operation for using the South Orange County hydrology model. Go to the Clear Creek Solutions website, download it, install it, get it opened up. Select your location on the map by choosing your map layers and selecting your rain gauge. Then go to that schematic and start modeling by inputting elements and creating mitigation facilities. If you have any questions about the South Orange County hydrology model, leave a comment down below, and we will see you guys next time.